Hi everybody, it's Jen and I am here with the ASC design team project. I'm going to use the scraps from my Cosmos collection. I made an album from it, I think I posted last week, and I just want to use up some of my scraps. So I had a friend get me some of these shaker frames from Michael's, and they're fairly inexpensive, and they make cute little ornaments or tags, so we're going to be using those. So head over to ASC Supplies on Etsy and use Scrapping Posh 10 for 10% off your normal price purchase. And let's get started on this project. So here are the finished products. Again, this is a shaker tag from Michael's, and the paper is Cosmos Infinity from ASC Supplies. I have sequins in there, and I used the cut aparts for the back. I have some charms on safety pins or garment pins, and then just some different ribbon and some trim. And I just layered on some of the cut aparts on the inside and the backs. And you could use whatever you want for the inside. And I did 6 of them. Some of them are I think this big sequence that I put in there may be a little bit too big, but there's the frog in the back. So yeah, you can use them for ornaments or tags or whatever you want. And I thank you very much for watching. Head on over to ASC Supplies on Etsy. Use Scrapping Posh 10 for 10% off your normal price purchase for paper and supplies that you need. And we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.